Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dane, back with Brawl Stars. As is usually happen. I guess BlueStacks has ads now? Anyway, so yeah, obviously I'm using BlueStacks on the PC to try to get the best capture quality here. But the new season of Brawl Stars should be out today on a holiday, which is great because usually these seasons will come out on a random day of school, so I actually have a decent amount of time to capture it today. Could load up any second now. And here we go. So, if I can even remember what the season's called, or what number it is, again, it's way too busy.
Give me a beat!
Okay, I always have to be careful and keep my hands down because every time I'll get antsy and I'll click on the screen and this little logo here will go away, but I like to see it. So this time it's called Robot Factory, because that's what it says here. So obviously they have all the exclusives from Brawl Pass, but what we're really interested in here, of course I can only use the term exclusive now in terms of they're exclusive this season after they made those changes. Let's have a look see. Start off.
Sweet sound! Time to show the kids how it's done!
Fine. I want to make sure I'm not mistaken, but I believe the new roller here is the same. Just get the belt. I'm pretty excited. I feel like this is a pretty fun theme. This is a very cool one. Probably
let's get this party started!
Oh, it comes with an emote too. That's very nice actually. I'm glad that they started adding a lot more exclusive emotes to specific skins. Are pretty cool. So I'm gonna go and assume that this new pass is gonna be based off of the last pass. So if we look at tier 20, the season, you should see that there's a spray there. I'm assuming. Yes, there is. So it is based off of the last Brawl Pass season model with the new season exclusives, and that would mean that the rewards are essentially going to be the same, except for the things that are taking the season on.
Sucker punch!
Okay, so I got his name right. Something that I think is kind of funny though is, I didn't actually figure this out myself at the beginning. The thing is, I read this person that pointed out that when the Play Store, they advertise this new roller as Boston. It's just kind of funny to play the game and just didn't get it last time. Also, that are, but I hate it when that happens. Two famous guys. It's weird because if you don't know him, like I think this is the first brawler in the game to have a actual official last name, which is kind of weird.
Time for bed!
So there are only a few brawlers in the game that have a specific trait, and I need to go to the brawler screen to really give you guys an idea of what that means.
Look kids, that's how it's done.
If you go to the brawler stats here and look at the traits, you'll see that he's the only brawler to start with a fully charged super. It's not an incredibly overpowered super, but it's nice to have, I guess. So he's also a rather fast brawler if he can keep up with his super. And the only way to really do that, you guys, is actually playing here.
Playtime's over, kids.
So it's funny because he kind of runs around like that one anime meme or whatever. So he puts his arms back, but that's obviously because he has literal bear traps for hands. So they're probably pretty heavy. So what's really
Kitty
about this character is I forget what they call it, like knuckles or whatever, but when he has them, he does 800. But when he throws them, he gets is why it's good to have the speed boost to catch up. But you also want to be really careful just throwing out your super. Because if you don't catch up with your speed boost and you're just running around, if someone comes with you and start hitting them, you're only dealing with a amount of damage. However, if you heal enough, you can call it back. And it'll give you your super back. And the damage boost. It does go through it. This can be pretty darn powerful brawlers in a row. Because I don't know if it's gonna work.
Sucker punch! Gloves are off! Cross!
He also has area. Let's see if it pulls up the super.
In your face!
So, if you're playing a map like the safe one, where it's like those two straight bridges across, if you can line up your shot perfectly, you can throw your super and get some pretty crazy.
In your face! Get 'em, jabbers! Gloves are off!
It does
In your face!
but I'm pretty sure it only does 700
Uppercut!
back. So that's up to about 2,000 just for using the super, and you get it back. So a lot of people think it's going to be a pretty underwhelming brawler, but if played effectively in team moves, it should be pretty interesting. I have no idea how it's going to suit up in solo showdown.
Gloves are off!
Obviously, against range brawlers, it's going to be a bit dicey. So let's have a look at his other skin. I already forgot the name.
Time to hit him with the old one too!
It's a really cool skin, actually. I really like the skins.
Alright, jabbers, let's do it!
Even if it's not the best brawler you think this season, I think the skins make it a pretty good season. I think that is weird too. Oh yes.
Get 'em, jabbers!
This looks so much cooler.
Sam's hammer! In your face!
Back to the regular punches without it. Again, without the jammers, he's a very underwhelming brawler.
Time for an
You really gotta
argy-bargy!
Play it right here. And then let me have a quick look at the power of the skin. I think I tried to cut this one short, guys, because I don't have a lot of skins today, because I have
Look at the eyes, Chico! They never lie.
I'm really liking this season. As for last season, they gave out, like, they had a lot of challenges, they gave out free rewards, and they introduced the hunt mode back, which I think is fun, but it's definitely not my favorite. Overall, a lot of good improvements, and I like the way the season's headed. They made that club league change, which I don't think it's necessarily a benefit for the laws, but it's okay, I guess. It's nice to change it up every season. Last thing I want to say is I really look forward to seeing what they do for the weekend challenges, because they said they'd be changing those up. And it's going to be a huge, what they call gear rework, which a lot of people are looking forward to. I am very excited for this season. I'd love to know what you guys think as well. So I'm keeping this one very short, guys, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed. And if I forgot anything or anything you find interesting, make sure to leave a comment below. And as always, I'll see you guys next one. Have a good day, guys.